Hello, everyone. Good morning, or whatever time of day it is for you. It is Shae here. If you're new to my channel, I do videos about logs, home decor, thrifting, fashion. So if that is your jam, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But anyway, this is a quick video. I just wanted to come in and give a lock tip. I'll probably be doing a few more in the next few days here. But here's my lock tip number one. This is for those who are thinking about starting the journey but have not. Go ahead and start. That is my advice. That's my tip. We're about to enter a new year. If you start now, then by this year next time, you are going to have some lovely, lovely locks, okay? So don't procrastinate. Go ahead and start now. You can do it. Don't worry about anything. Just do it, all right? See you in the next video.